Today we're going to be working on the OBS. I know that you OBS owners run into this issue a lot. So you have your horn and it doesn't work. And it's usually this piece right here, right? This piece right here, let me get the flashlight here. There's a white piece in there. Let me see if I can do that with both hands and watch the camera, hold the camera. So there's a little piece right here that's white, all right? This black piece gets connected to the white piece here, but usually there's a little tab that breaks off. So today I figured out a way to fix that. So all you're gonna need is your trusty lighter and this tool. Now you can get this tool at Harbor Freight. It's usually a pack of 3 and it comes for like $5, $6, something like that. But this tool right here is gonna help you. This tool right here is what's gonna help you. So basically I'm gonna show you here. It's already, you know what? I'm gonna take it out just so I can show you. And this is the piece. It's got a little tab on there. I don't know if you can see the little tab right there. I can't zoom in, I'm on my phone. But that little tab right there, that tab is gonna connect to the inside of this right here. Now what I did is I heated this piece up, the tool, and I went in and I molded the piece. I'm pretty sure you could tell right there where it's molded, right there where I'm pointing. I went in and I remolded that so it'll have a notch. That way, this piece, this side can click in there. And all you do is put it back inside. Let me see, where's my, right here. You put it back inside, you line up the notch. Right? And I hope you guys can see that. And you click it back in there, good as new. No issues, don't pop out, nothing. And that'll solve your issue. Now you connect your horn back in. Let me see if I can do this with both hands. You connect your horn back in. Put your horn in. And we have a horn, folks. I hope that helps, guys.